Hi, guys. Today I'm going to teach you that writers collect and organize ideas in different ways. Last night or yesterday, I had you post on a discussion board some ideas you might have about an independent project. So hopefully you jotted down some ideas of topics you might want to write about or genres you might want to write for your independent project. Let's think about the word collections for a minute. You may collect things. Do you collect sneakers or keychains or rocks, Fortnite skins? I know my brother collected basketball jerseys and baseball cards. Um, the thing about having a collection is you always have a few favorites. When you're looking at your collection of writing in your writer's notebook, you want to pick out your absolute favorites, like the pieces that you think you could really polish off. Here's a list of ways you could polish off your notebook collection. Start with a topic you love and brainstorm genres and forms you can try. Start with a genre or form you love and brainstorm topics you could try. Write blurbs for your ideas. So, one thing I could do is go back and forth between the topic I want to write about and the way that I want to write about it. So, let's say that I came up with a topic or I jotted down a topic in my writer's notebook that was called Stand Up for Other People. And then I started thinking about pieces of writing that I could put in under that topic or genres of writing that I could use. What if I wrote poems about bravery? Or if I wrote about like how it feels to stand up for someone else or to do the right thing. Or I could write a story about a kid who had to stand up for others at their school. I could also write a bunch of informational pieces about kids who have stood up for others, like kids I've witnessed standing up for others. So that would be kind of cool, or even put those stories of kids standing up for others in a graphic novel. Then when I get those ideas down and I'm trying to choose which ones I like best, then I could write blurbs for those. So for example, this graphic novel teaches kids about how to be brave in the real world. Read on to find out the stories of famous brave people and tips for standing up for others in the world. Or this is a story about Mary, a middle school student who gets caught in the middle when classmate is being bullied. Should she stand up to the bully or should she mind her own business? See how the blurb kind of makes the path that the writing is going to take a little more clear, and it can help you kind of really polish things off so that you can decide which pieces of writing are really your best that you should be using um, for your independent project that we're going to be doing. So by the end of today, you should really be making the decision about what you're going to write about for your independent project. So um, make sure that you're getting in your brainstorming and you're writing blurbs and you're kind of focusing on the path that like the best path that your project could take, and you're in your writer's notebook actually drafting some pieces of writing for that project, because we're going to um, turn in a picture of one of our entries at the end of the week. So make sure that you can still be adding new pieces or brainstorming, but make sure that you're really beginning to write today.